I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so you don't chase false leads. Check your Windows build and ensure at least 5 GB free. Once done, backup Dxerror.log and Directx.log to desktop so you can compare later. Now run System File Checker and DISM to heal corrupt system components. Type sfc/scano and then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. These steps fix many DirectX-related file issues before you touch installers or registry keys. You should now install DirectX properly. Run the end-user web installer as administrator or use the offline redistributable for offline systems. Once the installer runs, open Dxerror.log and Directx.log in Notepad++ and search for keywords like error, failed, or specific missing DLL names. This tells you which component failed. Make sure you reinstall Visual C++ redistributables and the exact GPU driver. Mismatched runtimes or drivers are frequent culprits, and explaining why DirectX components fail to register. Finish by registering or replacing any missing or failed DLLs. Run regs for 32 as administrator for COM components, or copy verified DLLs into System32 or syswow64, then re-register. Clear DirectX and GPU shader caches, reboot, and run the problematic application to generate fresh logs so you can confirm errors cleared. If problems persist, capture the new logs and perform a clean boot to isolate third-party interference. That step often reveals whether an overlay or service blocks DirectX initial.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.